Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because we're diving into something massive today. India is making a huge play to become a global AI powerhouse, and it's not just talk. We're talking about a dedicated AI hub, or even an entire AI city. So, what's the master plan? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the money because it's serious. The government has launched the India AI mission, a massive initiative with a budget of over 10,000 crore rupees. This isn't just government spending. It's a public-private partnership designed to build a world-class AI ecosystem from the ground up. Think of it as the foundation for everything that's coming. A huge part of this investment is going into raw computing power. The government is floating a tender for thousands of GPUs, the brains behind AI worth another 10,000 crores. And guess who's interested? All the big players. This is about creating a supercomputing backbone that startups and researchers can tap into, but it's not just public money. Tech giants are also betting big on India. Microsoft has already pledged billions in AI and cloud infrastructure. And there are whispers of Google potentially setting up a massive AI hub of its own. The investment is pouring in from all sides. So, where will all this money go? It's all about building the right infrastructure. We're talking about a network of state-of-the-art data centers packed with anywhere from 10,000 to potentially 24,500 high-performance GPUs. This isn't just about having the hardware. It's about making it accessible. The plan also includes building new subsea cable landing stations for faster global connectivity and powering it all with clean energy. The goal is to create an end-to-end ecosystem that supports everything from designing new AI chips to training massive models and deploying them at scale. But what's an AI hub without the innovators? India is already home to over 13,000 emerging tech startups, with more than 100 focused specifically on generative AI. This new hub aims to be a magnet, pulling in the brightest minds and the most ambitious companies, both domestic and international. It's about creating a dense, collaborative environment where a small startup can have access to the same level of computing power as a major corporation. This could be the launchpad for the next generation of AI innovation, born and built in India. This is an incredibly exciting time. India isn't just participating in the AI race, it's building its own track. What do you think about this monumental project? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.